Okay, this is our 2018 Nissan Rogue, and we're having a problem with the audio for AM, FM, and Bluetooth. You can see in the volume and beeps settings, everything is leveled out except for outgoing calls. And let's see, guidance voice on. Okay, so everything is on. We're going to go back and we're going to go to, I'm going to turn the audio off, turn the audio on, and you can see I can turn the volume up. I don't know if you can tell where that volume knob's at. Ain't showing up real good on here. And let's see, we'll try to go to audio, try to go to AM, and it's the same thing. That's full blast, but yet, so we have no sound coming through the speakers. But if we turn it to maps and tell it we want to go to a point of interest, say a gas station, I'll say something right there, close.
Turn next right.
Okay, so you can hear the prompt for her as far as guidance on the maps. So it's not a speaker issue. I wouldn't think it'd be an amp issue because the speakers are producing sound. But like I said, when you go back to the FM or even AM, ooh, I'm hearing a click.
Yeah, because we turned on the buttons sound.
Oh, okay. Anyway, so now, and as my daughter pointed out, you can hear the click. Now there's XM, and even the preview, you know, XM1, it tells you, hey, you know, come join with us, da da da. That's not working. So AM's not working. The XM preview's not working. FM, this is a local channel. Another local channel. You know, AM, no sound at all. Let's go to 1520 is a local. And nothing. So turn HD radio on or off, it don't matter. I can go to FM, and where you expect the HD to work. So like if you go to a channel that has HD, let's see. Okay, so here, the Twister, which is 1019, it's a country station, and you can see over here that it shows it's got two HD channels. I don't know if y'all's familiar with that or not, but when you go here, you can source out which channel you want to listen to on the HD on the same station. So, but the point is, we have no volume. There's no sound coming out of this at all. You know, and
it's not the speakers themselves because they're still working with the navigation.
Yeah, the speakers are working with nav. It's just we have no entertainment as far as AM, FM, Bluetooth. I don't have a disc to find out whether or not that works, and I don't have the little HDMI, not the HDMI, but the USB dongle that has MP3s on it. I don't know. I don't have that, you know, a little card to see if that works. But the Bluetooth doesn't work. The as far as audio source out, and the AM and FM doesn't work, but yet the nav still has audio. Okay, we're seeing in the online guide, it said to reset the audio or the infotainment center is to press and hold the power button for like 10 seconds or so, and it'll go through a reset. So I'm going to hold it down. Okay, just got a black screen. It's coming up with Nissan logo.
Freeway overpasses have collapsed.
I need help! Part of my house!
Okay,
I'll come with you. Was there anybody
that may have fixed her problem.
How you turn it off and turn it back on again.
Jason White here with Air Comfort Solutions. Don't wait until peak season to fix your heat
Okay.
problems. Our heat and air systems are at the lowest they've ever been.
That fixed her problem.
It's the deal of the year, but only